Hey everyone, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today we're going to make a cherry upside down cake. This is a really simple recipe that always delivers. Let's start with the star of the show, the cherries. Give me a thumbs up for fresh cherries. First we need to pit the cherries. The cherry juice will stain anything it gets on, so I like to use a piece of parchment paper to keep everything nice and clean. I did these one by one, but I also have a cherry pitter that I purchased at my local kitchenware store, and I'm sure you can find them online as well. They're also a must if you have kids. Now we can mix our brown sugar and melted butter. Once this is mixed together, we're going to sprinkle this in the bottom of our 10-inch cast iron pan. This is the tedious part of the dish, is lining up all the cherries until you have the whole bottom of the pan covered. Now we need to take our room temperature butter and our white sugar, and we're going to cream this together. This is going to add a little bit more air into the recipe and give us a little bit lighter of a cake. It should look golden and fluffy like this. Then we can add in our sour cream, and once it's fully incorporated, we can add in one egg at a time. Add in the milk, vanilla extract, cinnamon powder, and give it a mix. Mix in our salt and our baking powder. And the last thing that we're going to add is our flour. I like to add it last so we don't overwork the gluten in the flour. It gives a nice light fluffy cake. Then we just need to spread out our cake batter on top of our cherries as evenly as we can. So remember that this is going to be the bottom of the cake, so if it's not perfect, that's alright. Then we throw it in a 375-degree oven for about 45 minutes until it's nice and golden brown on top. Before we take it out, we want to make sure that the cake's not stuck to the pan, so I just move my spoon all the way around the edge to make sure that it's free. And now for the tricky part, we need to make sure that we take the cake out while it's still hot, so grab a towel and a plate and give it a big old flip. And like magic, there it is, warm cherry upside down cake. And we'll make some fresh vanilla whipped cream to go with our cake. Here we go, a moist, light, warm slice of cherry upside down cake. Thanks for watching my cherry upside down cake video. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite upside down cake flavor is. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you next time.